So you just got accepted to Merch by Amazon. How do you upload your first design? Stay tuned and I'll show you. What's up guys, Bodie here, BodieDavison.com. So today's video, we've been accepted onto Merch by Amazon with my girlfriend's account. Now we're gonna upload our first design and I'm gonna show you exactly how that's done. That is Hershey down there. I know I've got some Hershey fans. Chewing a bone. So where have I been, you might be asking? I've actually been trying to buy a house, so we've been going back and forth about this. Bit of a side story, we ended up offering $550,000, then we went back and forward and someone else was interested in the house as well. Then they wanted to go up too high in the pricing and we've kind of just pulled the pin on it and just gonna wait and see what happens with the house prices, as Australia has now been declared in a recession. So we think the house prices are gonna drop. Even though we love this house, it was beautiful, we're just gonna hold off for now, and then maybe in a few months or later in the year, we'll end up buying. I still have been pumping out those couple of videos a week and I'll continue to do that. And I'll try and get back into at least 3 uploads a week from here on in, or at least try my best. Anyway, if you're new to this channel, I like to talk about print on demand and making money online. So make sure you check out the channel. There'll be some videos that'll help you out. Also make sure you check out the print on demand playlist and the Teespring tutorial playlist, because I do answer a lot of questions in those 50 plus videos in those playlists. So check that out. And make sure you check out the Print on Demand Mastery Facebook page, which is a print on demand group that I started for everyone that's a subscriber to this channel. It's completely free, so join that. The link is down below. And if you're new here, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below any questions you have or any sort of video suggestions you have. And Hershey's making all sorts of noise down there. And make sure you hit subscribe. So for this video, we're gonna dive into the computer. So let's jump on the computer and go through how to upload that first design and some other tips on how I got approved by Merch by Amazon, how you can too. I made a video and detailed everything you need to do. And I've had about 6 people message me saying that they've also been accepted. So it definitely works. I know that it works, and I've proven that it works again because I've got my girlfriend's account up and going now. So make sure you follow those tips and check out that video, which I'll link down below. All right, had to put Hershey outside because she was chewing a bone at my feet, which did not make for good recording of a video. Not good noise. So anyway, today's video, let's dive into it. How to get accepted on Merch by Amazon in 2020 is a video that I done a couple of weeks ago there. That's the video I'm talking about. If you use those tips, you're gonna have a very good chance of getting accepted on Merch. And as I said, I done this with my girlfriend's account just to see if it would get accepted and what's going on with the Merch by Amazon program, because a lot of people have been asking about getting in there. And here we are. So we are live with a brand new account here. This is my girlfriend's account. And we're gonna go through how you upload your first design and how this works, because a lot of you guys haven't seen this. So we'll go through from absolute scratch, starting up. So what you have first is you can select products. So you go select products here. And as you can see, you have .com, .co.uk and .de. So different places, different Amazons, around the world. So the first thing you're gonna do is actually unselect a lot of these. So you would just unselect the ones that you don't want to use. So let's say we go with a standard t-shirt and just a tank top for the first one, and then you would just hit continue. The next thing we'll take a look at here is just down the bottom. So what you have here is your design title, brand, your description, etc. So in this video, I'm not going to dive into this, but I will dive into this in a future video, because what you want to put in your title is important, and the keywords are important for search rankings, etc. I'm not going to dive into that so much in this video, but I am going to show you some other things, key things to uploading your first design. So let's just go back up here. So what we're going to look at is uploading artwork and what's important on Merch by Amazon. If we click edit details here, so what it's going to bring up is the fit types, so men and women, and then you choose your colors here. So you can choose all your different colors. Let's say that we wanted we've got black, we wanted a white, and maybe we want royal and a gray, because they're the ones that seem to sell the most. And what you're going to see here is what's very similar to Teespring. It's going to tell you what your profit looks like. So the list price is the product suggested list price. The royalty payment will be based on the actual purchase price. So what you want to do here is go for somewhere around where they're suggesting, because they know their platform. So on Teespring, they always have $21.99. And I would actually go with that on this one as well, $21.99. The low 20s has been researched to be it's a very good selling point for a t-shirt. So $20 to $23 to $25 is a max. Anything above that is getting a bit expensive for a t-shirt. So around them low 20s is a very good mark that you want to be sitting at for your t-shirt sales. So if we just change this to, let's go with $22.99, and then it's going to change this and tell you what you'd be making off the shirt there. And then you can go through and change all this, but that's not so important for what I want to show you in this video. Let's go to uploading artwork. So straight away, it's actually showing me what I want to teach you guys, and that is that Amazon, unlike a lot of the other print-on-demand websites, has an actual ratio that it needs to be, which is 4,500 by 5,400, as you can see just there. So what I want to show you guys is that you need to resize your designs before you can upload to Merch by Amazon. So this is a thing that is very specific to Merch by Amazon and just something you have to do, but there is a free tool online that you can use, which I'll show you. So let's just click on this. So let's just use this Gamer Girl one that I've had uploaded for a while. And then what you see there is if I just straight up try and upload it, it comes up with please upload a valid PNG. So then we just go to a website called Bulk Resize Photos right there, and it's completely free, guys. So this is really good. We're just going to go choose image and upload to it. So we want to go scale image to 100% of the original dimensions. And then we're just going to go 4,500 by 5,400. And then you want to go to format here and go to PNG because they have to be PNG files to be uploaded to Merch by Amazon. And then we're going to go start resizing. And as you can see, it is done that easily, like completely free, and it's just down here saved, and that's our logo. So resize, ready to go, PNG file as I said. So just keep this one in your memory banks, guys. It's bulkresizephotos.com, completely free, easy as to use, as you saw there. All right, guys, and quick edit to this video because some things have changed, and if you have an issue with the bulk resize photos tool, this is another website that you can use. So this is a website that will also work, and it's called resizeimage.net. One other thing that I have been told as well by one of my mates is that if you're on Safari or Google Chrome, that can be an issue. So whichever one of those you're using, I'm on a Mac, so I use both, to be honest. I have both downloaded, but yeah, so that can be an issue as well. But resizeimage.net, so save this one as well, because if one doesn't work, just use the other. So on this one, to use it, just upload your image. There's the image uploaded there. You don't need to touch any of this stuff. The only thing you need to come down and touch is this, and just turn this off, because then it makes them both the same, as you can see there. If you turn that off, you can actually resize it to what you want. So as you now know, it's 4,500 by 5,400. So you just keep that as that. And then you want to make sure that it's PNG, of course. And then you go resize image. And then as you can see, it's complete there, new image there. And then you just go download image. And then that'll download to your computer. Then you go back across to Merch by Amazon, and as you can see, it's uploaded onto these shirt designs. So this is pretty much what this whole video was about, and why I'm not diving into the title and description, etc., because I wanted to make this video because people have had issues with resizing their images. So I wanted to show you guys how to do that and how to select your design correctly. And as you can see on the t-shirt there, looks absolutely amazing. And I made this on placeit.net, which is the t-shirt designer that I recommend. I have a 15% discount down below. Make sure you get on board that because it is the best. You can make designs like this, and for you to pay someone to make a design like this would cost you a lot of money. Yes, it's a paid tool to use placeit.net, but there's so many things you can use. And if you haven't checked that out, you should check out my video going through all the t-shirt designing, all the Instagram video designing, and all the different things you can do with that app, because it is awesome. Or that website, I should say, because it's awesome. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that helps you out. This is a question that I've got a few times, so I thought now that I got accepted on this new account, I would go through from scratch the things that you're going to run into and the things that you need to do to be able to get through those problems. So I'm sure this will help a lot of people out. It's something that's been commented on my YouTube quite a few times and mentioned in the Facebook group. Speaking of the Facebook group, make sure you join that. It's called Print on Demand Mastery. It's a free Facebook group and everyone's in there just helping each other get ahead. And I, of course, drop my knowledge in there from time to time and make sure that the group is moderated of spam. Please give this video a like for me. Please comment below any video suggestions or comments you have at all, questions. Make sure you hit subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next video.